Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 21 to 27, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Just the reminder lang that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So, let's see Libra. What's up with you? Let's see your energy for this week. You have the Queen of Swords. Marami kayong mga pagninilay-nilayan, iniisip about your life, or yung mga mas nagiging practical, logical kayo ngayon. I think hindi kayo masyadong magta-tap in sa inyong emotions. Iiwasan nyo or babawasan nyo maging emotional para mas maging madali sa inyo na makapag-decide. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you are going to decide something major, like major decision. So, let us see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Libra? Queen of Cups, yes. Look. Ang challenge ninyo yung emotions ninyo. Sometimes things can be overwhelming for you na pwedeng nakakapagsalita kayo ng mga bagay na hindi nyo naman minimean kasi na-overwhelm lang kayo ng emotions ninyo. So, it's time for you to take control of your emotions. So, let's see your opportunities. You have the 9 of Wands. You have the opportunity to get through all of these challenges na kailangan mong pagdaanan. Kumbaga, yes, may challenge, pero kaya mo siya. Kaya mong i-handle. Mas mas hindi ka magpapakita ng emotions. Maari kasi yung iba sa inyo mabilis maawa. Tapos, alam mo na, madaling ma-take advantage. So, let's see your blessing. What's the blessing? 8 of Swords. You're going to break free from limitations. So, yung mga bagay na naglilimita sa'yo na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo. You're breaking free from that. What is the Queen of Swords? You have the Wheel of Fortune. See? That is moving forward. May paggalaw. You are on top of your game right now. You are gaining control of the situation. The more na mas nagiging logical ka, mas kalmado ka, hindi mo sinasamahan ng emotions or hindi mo ino-overwhelm yung emotions mo, the more na mas nagiging in control ka ng sitwasyon mo. 8 of Cups. Some of you are going to leave a situation na medyo puno na ng drama. Yung masyadong ino-overwhelm yung, alam mo yun, masyadong nakaka-stress. And yung stress na yun, nagkakos or nagtitrigger ng emotions mo. You have the King of Cups as your opportunity. Yes, I feel like there's an enlightenment for you. Being more connected to your instinct, to your intuition. Mas magiging sensitive ka sa nararamdaman mo to the point na kaya mo na siyang i-control. What is the Eight of Swords? The Five of Wands. Yes. Definitely breaking free from a limitation, from a situation na pumipigil sa'yo na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng realization na, bakit ganito? Maari kasing may situation na kinokontrol ka or namamanipulate ka or ng tao na yan. Isang tao na minamanipulate ka. But I think you're gaining control right now. See? You are connecting to your higher power. Your intuition. Mas nagkakaroon ka ng stability when it comes to your thinking, your mind. Pinaghahalo mo yan yung thoughts, yung naiisip mo, and yung nararamdaman mo. You're more intuitive. The fates. Whatever will be, will be. I think you're going to step into your own power. And stepping into your own power will this is going to bring you abundance. Ito na yun yung blessing sa'yo, Eight of Swords, Five of Wands. Ano siya, you are being directed to who you really are and your power, your own power, breaking free Parang, alam mo yung nagre-revolution. Oo. Because you want to get out from that limitation, from that prison. Yung iba, feeling nyo nakakulong kayo. Oo. Feeling nyo wala kayong magawa. And you're walking away from that. Kasi nare-realize nyo na ako lang pala nagbibigay ng limitation sa sarili ko. Meron pala akong power, kaya ko palang gawa ng paraan yun. Sa career, finances, money, you are collaborating with people. You are going to work with others with the same goal as you will increase your power and reach. Someone wants to do business with you. Halimbawa, yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong relationship, no? Meron kayong karelasyon. And yung person that you are dealing with, somehow, siya yung isa sa pumipigil sa success mo, sa growth mo. Kasi meron kang gustong gawin, pinipigil niya, kinokontra niya. Siyempre, mahirap for you na gawin yung gusto mo kung kulang ka sa support. But I think for some of you, nare-realize nyo na bakit kailangan yung magpa-control sa iba. Well, in fact, you should have the control over yourself. See, Two of Cups, this is a collaboration. Meeting, yung iba makikipag-meeting sa isang business partner or may mag-offer ng work sa'yo. You also have the Devil card. So, just make sure lang na everything is clear kasi maaring meron ditong tempting offer sa'yo. You have the Three of Cups. I think, yung gagawin nyo ngayon sa career nyo, sa business nyo, may pagka-risky siya, pero alam nyo na you are in control of that. So, ang importante is, kaya nyong i-manage. 'Di ba? Whatever that is na papasukin nyo. Wait lang. Kuha pa tayo nito. Acquisition. You are acquiring money, resources, mga binavalue nyo. So, this is the Sun in Taurus in the second house. This is also confidence. So, ngayon, mas confident ka na humarap sa mas maraming tao. And dahil doon, mas dadami yung connections mo. And the more connections you have, the more opportunities may come. You have Mars and Gemini in the third house. Meron kang decision making na gagawin. I think itong decision na to biglaan. So, pwedeng, decision na, umalis sa sitwasyon na naglilimita sa'yo. Romance. You are going also to explore feelings for someone. So, yung iba, if you are single, maaring meron ngayong person sa buhay mo na you want to get to know more. Gusto mong bigyan ng chance. You have the Seven of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Six of Swords. Oh, okay. Ano to eh, iba sa inyo, galing kayo sa isang, can be a failed relationship or you ended a relationship and immediately after, nagkaroon ng, meron agad, no, na romantic connection na namumuo dyan. But I think, meron kang choice dito eh, whether i-explore mo to or, may ibang journey ka na kukunin or tatahakin. But even so, I think, for you, you feel like, hindi pa ito yung tamang panahon. To explore a romantic connection with someone. Kasi mas defensive ka pa. So, who knows, sa mga susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na buwan, magbago yung pananaw mo dyan. But I think for some of you, iwas muna kayo. You want to bring justice into your life first. Gusto mong ibigay sa sarili mo yung dinideserve mo. At ibigay sa iba yung dinideserve ng iba. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.